So in this video, I am actually going to show you how to open a Walmart buyer's account. So of course, the first thing we're gonna do is go up to the right-hand corner and click sign in account. And the first things we're gonna see are sign in and create an account. And of course, for the sake of this example, we're gonna click on create an account. Okay, and you will be directed to this page where you can create your Walmart account. Provide a first name, a last name, a working email address, and of course, a password. Once you have all of that information filled in, you can go ahead and click on create account. And there you have it. Welcome to your account. All right, so now that we have created an account, now we're going to link a payment method to your Walmart account. So here we have the main options, which are credit or debit card. And if you are a US resident or have any connection, you can also go ahead and use the gift card option as well. You can also do EBT transfers, which for Americans living in America is very familiar with. And then of course you have the option to select benefit card, which is a card that you get only in physical stores. So by clicking the option credit and debit card, you are welcomed into the wallet where you will provide your card information. First name, last name, card number, month, year, the CVV, and of course the phone number. So when it comes to billing address, if you are living in America or in the US, you can go ahead and provide your billing address. Now, for those of you who do not live in the US, you can't and you don't have a billing address. But there is hope. There are services that actually provide you with a legitimate US billing address. For example, a service that you could use are AutoDS tools, as well as order management, and so on. So once you have put in your actual billing address or a billing address that you have used from one of the services, you can go ahead and select Save Card down at the bottom. So of course, after you have put in all of your credit card information as well as billing address, you can start to use Walmart.com.